wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best air ionizers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Lasko Wind Curve works as a cooling fan as it ionizes the air. It has an integrated carrying handle for easy mobility and a storage slot on the back for the remote control so it won't get misplaced. It's quiet even at its highest settings and can oscillate automatically. However, it doesn't filter the air. At number 9, the Holmes HAP242 is a desktop option suitable for workspaces smaller than 109 square feet. Its 3 speed settings allow you to strike a balance between the volume of its white noise and the rate at which it purifies air. It catches particles of 2 microns and up and can stand either horizontally or vertically, but the design looks very dated. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Green Air Encore KH H201 utilizes a 3-stage system and a color-changing light that provides you with a clear visual indication of how many pollutants are floating around your home. This one's suitable for large areas and offers 4 operating modes. However, it lacks a timer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air ionizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when physical filtration isn't enough, you can try the OION Technologies B1000, which also boasts UV light sterilization that can kill germs. Rather than a costly HEPA filter, it uses an affordable carbon one paired with a reusable metal one. It's effective at eliminating odors and can trap even third-hand smoke, but it does release a small amount of ozone. Moving up our list to number 6, the Kawe Mighty AP1512HH is equipped with a convenient automatic mode that adjusts its fan speed according to the air quality in the room. When it doesn't detect any pollutants for 30 minutes, it stops running to help save on energy costs. It features a 4-stage purification system and produces results rapidly. However, it is very loud at its highest setting. Halfway up our list at number 5, the machine washable fabric that covers the bottom half of the Blue Air 211 Plus acts as the first line of defense to catch large particles so they don't wind up clogging interior components. The fabric is available in different colors to suit your taste. Its performance has been independently tested and it offers an easy one-button control. It's made with recyclable materials. At number 4, if anything gets past both filters and the ionizer in the InvisiClean Claro IC4524, it's still faced with a short wavelength ultraviolet light, which is designed to kill harmful microorganisms. It's a good choice for bedroom use as you can turn off the illumination when desired. It features a built-in thermometer and humidistat, a shut-off timer with 4 options, and an energy-efficient operation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the customizable Allen Breathe Smart 75i is available with different types of HEPA filter and 8 styles of front panel, including metallic, wood grain, and simple white. This powerful model is suitable for large open floor plans. It's equipped with a color-coded air quality indicator and 4 fan speed settings. It kills mold and bacteria. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air ionizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you prefer a hands-off approach, you'll like the Hatherspace HSP001. It has a smart sensor that detects the current pollution levels and then automatically adjusts its fan speed accordingly. It's equipped with an activated carbon for odor reduction and a 20 decibel sleep mode. It removes VOCs and household chemicals. And coming in at number 1 in our list, with its H13 HEPA filter, the Medify Air MA40 can clean the air in a 1,300 square foot room in just 1 hour and an 800 square foot room in just 30 minutes. It comes with coverage on all the parts for life, so long as you maintain it properly. It's available in black or white, with a child lock feature and a tempered glass touch panel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. airionizers.com. Go there now and search for air ionizers, or simply click beneath this video.